Okay. Okay, children, in the previous class I have taught you about the anthem. Yes or no? And so this is the main part. So what does it does? Tell me, children, do you know about it? Okay, children. Now, anthem is in yellow color. Here you can see in the textbook. Here. In which color it is? It is in yellow color and it has a thread. You can see the line over here. Thread form. It carries and it holds and it is called as filament. So this is called as filament. Okay. And in stigma. What is stigma, children? So this is the stigma. So stigma is a sticky. Okay, stigma is a sticky surface on the top of the pestils. It trips and helps pollen. Okay, and what is style? A style is a tube-like structure that holds up the stigma. And the ovaries contain the ovaries. Okay, the other parts of the flower, pestils and sepals. The other part of the important part of the flower. What is the important part of the flower? Children, the important part of the flower is petal and sepal. Petal is the colorful part of the flower. It is the colorful part of the flower. And sepals are in green color and it is the base of the flower. It is the base of the flower. Receptacle is the part where the parts of the flowers are attached. Okay, from here, it is called attached. Okay, and now children, coming to the types of reproduction. Reproduction in plants are of two ways. Okay, first is a sexual reproduction. A sexual reproduction. There's a single parent are involved. In this only the single parent is involved. In sexual reproduction, both the parents are involved. For example, as I said you, in this only single parent. In this, both the parent. In a section, a single parent will be involved. In section, both the parent will be involved. What is vegetative propagation? A sexual reproduction. Like in vegetative propagation, you will know about vegetative propagation, budding, fragmentation, spot formation. The other I will teach you in the next class, students. Okay? When a new plants are produced from the vegetative part of the plant, the process is called vegetative propagation. When a new plant process, children, so that part is called what? Vegetative propagation. It does not involve formation of seed. This vegetative propagation does not involve what? Formation of seeds. Okay? Stem as a vegetative part of a plant. What? Stem has a vegetative part of a plant. Now stem cutting can also used for vegetative propagation of sugarcane. Now what happens, children, when you grow a tree? Now the tree is growing in a straight way. In sides you will be having some other stems. Yes or no? Extra stems. So you can cut the stem. That stem is also used for making sugar canes. Understood, children? This is called vegetative propagation. This process. Okay. What is budding? West is a single cell organism which can be used only and which can be seen only in a microscope. Now, children, for example, I'll tell you, take a jar, children. Take a jar of water, add a yeast and add a sugar and leave it for a hour. Then after an hour, check it. What happens? What happens, children? It form into a new cells. So this is called, there will be so many, only these can be seen only in a microscope. Directly if you see, you cannot see the cells. In 1 hour, what happens? It will form into a many cells. Okay, so this is called bud. Okay, children.